Burrowing sea urchin, or TUYOM in Bisaya. The burrowing sea urchin is a species of sea urchin in the family Echinometridae. It occurs in shallow waters in the Indo-Pacific region. The type locally is Mauritius. Burrowing sea urchins or urchins are typically spiny globular animals, echinoderms in the class Echinidae. Sea urchins move slowly, crawling with their 2 feet, and sometimes pushing themselves with their spines. They feed primarily on algae, but also eat slow-moving or sessile animals. Mangrove cup oyster CC or TALABA in Bisaya. The scientific name is Chrysostrea rhizophori. The mangrove cup oyster or Chrysostrea rhizophori is a type of oyster that lives in mangroves ecosystem and is a prominent species in South Atlantic. The mangrove cup oyster has a cup-shaped shell with lightweight, deep cup and unequivocal structure. The leaf bulb is larger than the right and the shell is dirty light gray in color on the outside and sweetish or light gray with blush purple spotlish on the inside. Mangrove cup oyster are commonly found in brackish water near in coast where mangroves grow, living on falling branches, tree trunks, and mangrove roots. Asian shore crab or talangka in Bisaya. The Asian shore crab competes with native species like the blue crab, rock crab, and lobster for food and space. It can quickly overrun local rock crabs and displace them altogether. Asian shore crab is a species of crab from East Asia. It has been introduced to several other regions and now is an invasive species in North America and Europe. It was introduced to this region by ships from Asia emptying their ballast tanks in coastal water. Asian shore crab omnivorous, eating macroalgae, salt marsh, grass, small invertebrates, larval and juvenile fish, and larval lobster. Pliket conch ANINIKAD in Bisaya. Scientific name is Thrombus layabatus. The pliket conch is a type of sea snail that lives in shallow waters and is often collected for its shell. Pliket conch lives in shallow waters on weeds and sand in shallow subtidal waters. Pliket conch are also in the market to sell on food space. Pliket conch, marine snail, class Gastropoda in which the outer wall of the shell is broadly triangular in outline and has a wide lip, often jutting toward the apex. Conch meat is harvested and consumed by people in Caribbean countries. It is exported to the United States, Europe, and South America, and conch shells are coveted by shell collectors. Natural populations have been disseminated by overharvesting, and thus there is considerable interest in developing techniques to raise conch commercially. Sunstar bituon, scientific name Archaster typicus. Starfish or sea star are star-shaped echinoderms belonging to the class Asteroidae. Common usage frequently finds these names being also applied to ophiporids, which are correctly referred to as brittle star or basket star. They are a part of phylum Echinodermata and are related to sand dollars, sea urchins, or sea cucumbers. Archaster is a species of starfish in the family Arcasteridae. It is commonly known as the sun star or the sun-shifting star, but these names are also applied to starfish in the genus Astropecten. It is found in shallow waters in the Indo-Pacific region.